Hi! In front of me is REALME C53, and today I would like to show you how you can remove saved Google password. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and passwords. Now tap on the one that you wish to get rid of, in my case Facebook one. Enter your current login method and hit delete next to edit. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!